Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Common driving issues in my area. Didn't need coffee to get my kick on my way to work.
"20 minutes later."
This driver clearly under the influence and tried to run over a cat.
This guy drunk as fuck. Oh shit! Oh, I want to see him crash into the thing and I want to take a picture of his car. Ready? Yeah. I am ready. He's gonna hit a parked car for sure. Oh, there's a cat. Oh, holy shit! What the fuck is wrong with this guy? Tried to run over the cat.
This must have been painful to experience. I don't need to see the speed limit sign after seeing these roads to guess that they're going too fast here. Another impatient driver on the road. Do you think he was on his phone?
Jesus, what in the fuck are you doing? Dipshit.
So
My life flashed in front of my eyes.
Okay. And the radiator for it, I don't think is getting enough airflow. This fucking shit. Why did he keep going?
Take a wild guess to how old this driver is. Watch where you're going, bro. This driver in a Mercedes almost hit me before this. Watch until the end.
Damn. Again.
Be careful.
Install yourself a Dashcam and you will find idiots in less than half an hour. This driver cut across traffic to make his turn. Was it worth it though?
A few moments later.
This driver drove past the yield sign, merged onto the highway, briefly stops, causing me to slam my brakes. Someone ordered a T-bone today on my commute home, but I chose not to deliver this time. This car briefly becomes an aeroplane after going straight in a roundabout. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.